From the depths of the cosmos to the core of our planet, forces of unimaginable power are at play. Forces that, in the blink of an eye, could render our world unrecognizable. But today we stand at a precipice, facing threats that could unravel the delicate tapestry of life as we know it. It is imperative, now more than ever, that we understand these potential threats to safeguard our future.
Out in the vast emptiness of space, hurtling through the cosmos at unimaginable speeds, lurk celestial wanderers, some as large as mountains, others dwarfing entire continents. These are the asteroids, remnants from the dawn of our solar system. While most pose no threat, their orbits forever shifting, there are those that stray too close, their paths intersecting with our own. An impact, depending on the size and speed of the asteroid, could release energy thousands of times greater than all the nuclear weapons ever detonated. The immediate aftermath would be catastrophic. Firestorms raging across continents, tsunamis towering hundreds of feet high, obliterating coastlines. But the true horror would unfold in the years to come. A massive plume of dust and debris would be ejected into the atmosphere, shrouding the planet in an impenetrable darkness. The sun's life-giving rays would be choked off, causing temperatures to plummet. Plant life would wither and die, followed by the animals that depend on them, leading to a collapse of the food chain. It is a chilling thought, a reminder of our precarious existence in the face of cosmic indifference. Yet, even with this knowledge, we are not powerless. Scientists are constantly scanning the skies, mapping the trajectories of potentially hazardous asteroids. Early detection is key, for with enough warning, we may be able to deflect these celestial threats, altering their course and averting disaster. The survival of our species may one day hinge on our ability to anticipate and outmaneuver these celestial wanderers.
Beneath our feet, hidden from view by a thin veneer of rock and soil, lies a realm of unimaginable heat and pressure. It is a world of molten rock, churning and shifting, a constant reminder of the immense power that lies dormant within our planet. And in certain corners of the globe, this power manifests itself in a spectacle as awe-inspiring as it is terrifying, the supervolcano. Unlike their smaller, more frequent cousins, supervolcanoes erupt rarely, with millennia often passing between cataclysmic events. But when they do, the consequences are felt on a global scale. Imagine a force so powerful that it could eject millions of tons of ash and molten rock high into the atmosphere, blanketing entire continents in a suffocating shroud. The immediate impact on surrounding areas would be devastating, with pyroclastic flows, searing clouds of gas and ash, incinerating everything in their path. The massive injection of sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere would reflect sunlight back into space, causing global temperatures to plummet. Crops would fail, leading to widespread famine. Acid rain would poison water supplies and decimate ecosystems. The eruption of a supervolcano is a stark reminder of our planet's immense power, a force that can shape continents and alter the course of life itself. Understanding their potential impact is crucial for mitigating the risks and safeguarding our future.
Our planet, a blue oasis in the vastness of space, has long been a beacon of stability. Its climate, a delicate balance that has nurtured life for millions of years. But that balance is shifting, and the consequences are becoming increasingly dire. The very air we breathe, the water that sustains us, the seasons that govern our lives, all are being disrupted by a force unlike any other climate change. The evidence is all around us, impossible to ignore. Glaciers are melting at an alarming rate, their ancient ice disappearing into the rising seas. Heat waves are becoming more frequent and intense, scorching the land and pushing ecosystems to their breaking point. Droughts are plaguing once fertile lands, while in other regions, torrential rains unleash devastating floods. The oceans, too, are feeling the heat. Coral reefs, those vibrant underwater cities, are bleaching and dying, victims of warming waters and ocean acidification. Sea levels are rising, threatening to displace millions who live along coastlines. Climate change is not a distant threat. It is a clear and present danger, a crisis that demands our immediate attention.
In the grand tapestry of life, microorganisms, though invisible to the naked eye, play a pivotal role. They are the silent architects of our ecosystems, the unseen engines driving countless biological processes. Yet, within this microscopic world, there also exists a darker side. Pathogens, capable of wreaking havoc on a global scale. Throughout history, pandemics have ravaged humanity, leaving behind a trail of unimaginable suffering and death. The Black Death, smallpox, the 1918 influenza pandemic. These are just a few examples of the devastating power of infectious diseases. And in our interconnected world, where a virus can travel from one continent to another in a matter of hours, the threat of a global pandemic has never been greater. The development of vaccines and antiviral drugs has undoubtedly improved our ability to combat infectious diseases, but the emergence of new and drug-resistant pathogens remains a constant threat. Global surveillance, rapid response systems, and international cooperation are essential to preventing and containing outbreaks before they escalate into full-blown pandemics.
For centuries, the human mind has reigned supreme, the driving force behind every technological innovation, every artistic masterpiece, every scientific breakthrough. But what if that were to change? What if, in our relentless pursuit of progress, we were to create something that surpassed our own intelligence? Something that could outthink us, outmaneuver us, and ultimately outcontrol us? Artificial intelligence, once the realm of science fiction, is rapidly becoming a reality. From self-driving cars to facial recognition software, AI is permeating every aspect of our lives. And while it holds the promise of solving some of humanity's most pressing challenges, it also presents a unique and potentially existential threat. Imagine a world where machines, not humans, make the decisions that shape our lives, where algorithms determine our access to healthcare, our employment opportunities, even our romantic partners. The development of artificial intelligence is a double-edged sword, a powerful tool that can be used for good or for ill. It is imperative that we proceed with caution, establishing ethical guidelines and safeguards to ensure that AI remains under human control, a force for progress, not destruction.
From the depths of the cosmos, a silent killer stalks the universe, invisible to the naked eye, yet capable of obliterating entire star systems in an instant. These are gamma-ray bursts, the most powerful explosions known to science, and they pose a threat to life on Earth that is both terrifying and difficult to comprehend. Gamma-ray bursts occur when massive stars, many times larger than our Sun, reach the end of their lives and collapse in on themselves, forming black holes. These cosmic cataclysms release an unimaginable amount of energy in the form of gamma rays, a type of high-energy radiation that travels at the speed of light. If a gamma ray burst were to occur relatively close to Earth, say within a few thousand light years, the consequences would be catastrophic. The initial blast of gamma rays would strip away our planet's protective ozone layer, leaving life on the surface exposed to the full fury of the sun's deadly ultraviolet radiation. The oceans, once teeming with life, would become barren wastelands as marine ecosystems collapse. While the probability of a gamma-ray burst directly hitting Earth is extremely low, the fact that these cosmic events occur with some regularity serves as a stark reminder of our vulnerability in the vastness of space.
We have journeyed to the edge of oblivion, exploring the myriad threats that could spell the end of our world as we know it. From the celestial hammer of asteroid impacts to the invisible enemy of pandemics, the potential for catastrophe is all too real. But we must not succumb to fear or despair. For we are not passive bystanders in this cosmic drama. We are a species capable of extraordinary ingenuity, resilience, and compassion. By investing in scientific research, embracing technological innovation, and fostering global cooperation, we can empower ourselves to confront these challenges head-on. Let us choose wisely, act boldly, and work together to ensure that life on Earth continues to flourish for generations to come. Subscribe to stay informed and join the conversation about safeguarding our future.